This is a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited with 70,000 miles. Unmolested, not lifted, not modified, fully equipped, leather, heated seats, navigation. Very clean, not a door ding or a scratch on this thing. Very, very clean Jeep. It is running, it needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Running boards, removable hardtop, Carfax certified, no accidents. Black leather seats are impeccable, wonderful condition. No rips or stains or wear marks. Navigation, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated seats, 4x4 of course, 70,000 miles. So this is a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited, fully loaded with 70,000 miles, unmolested, needs nothing.